With the recent privacy scandal from Facebook, people are asking how can they protect their information from third-party apps? And Facebook has now made it very easy for you to disengage with apps that you may have agreed to and may not even know about, or you may have agreed to and forgot about, that have your information. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of some of these apps that are carrying your information and want access to your information. So from your home screen, you're going to go and click on the arrow down and head to settings. From settings, you're going to go over on the left-hand side to apps and websites. Now, these are all of the apps that have access to my Facebook page. So if I'm not using these apps, like WordStream, I don't use, Yext, I don't use, Squarespace, I don't use for my website, so they shouldn't be on there. So I'm going to click here for WordStream and I'm going to click View and Edit. And you'll see at the bottom where I can remove this app. You can also see where I can go in and adjust the controls that I'm seeing on this app. So the app visibility is only visible to me. You can choose what information applies. You can remove information collected. Now, contact the developer of this app to ask that they delete any information they may have stored about you. Now, you'll do the learn more and they're going to tell you exactly what to do. So if you have some of these apps on here that you don't even know how they get there or how they got there, you might want to go here into your app settings and check them out, or you could just remove the app. Also delete all posts, photos, and videos on Facebook that WordStream may have published on your behalf. So if you're using a publisher, that could possibly be how they've obtained your information. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them. Done. All right, with the recent Facebook privacy scandal, people are wondering how they can protect their information on the platform and still stay on it. And so today I'm going to share a little bit on the personal side of how you can protect your information. And a lot of this comes down to the apps that you're using. We automatically give people so much access to our information. It's kind of crazy, right? I don't know about you, but I'm always, integrating third-party things into my Facebook and third-party apps, and I don't really even read the fine print. So today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of some of those apps if you're part of them, or if you've done similar to what I've done. So at your home screen, you're going to click on the arrow down. You'll click Settings. And from Settings, you're going to go into Apps and Website on the left-hand side. From here, I can see all of the apps that have access to my information. So whether I've downloaded the app on my phone and used my Facebook login to have or get started with the app, or I've used the app and integrated the app into my Facebook, the reality of it is all of these apps have my information. And again, this can be part of the privacy issue and part of the thing that can actually get our information out there to people that we don't even know. So I'm going to look at Yext. I have actually never used Yext for my own business. I've used it for other clients. And I'm going to just click on it. This is one I'm going to actually remove. So I'm going to remove the app. But before I remove the app, I'm going to explain to you that right now, friends can see what Yext posts. So it's always a good option to put only me, or you could do a custom option where you can share or don't share with people. And you can also do more options where you could get your groups involved. And that would be the only people that can see content from that app. This one actually has access to manage my business page. So I'm going to take that off, manage my pages, show a list of pages you manage, publish as a page you manage, access your page with insights, send me notifications. No. Now, one of the key pieces is if this is an app that you have never used or really don't understand how they got your information, I would advise you to right here where it says remove information collected by app. This allows you to contact the developer, or tells you to contact the developer of the app to ask that they delete any information that they have on you. So when you click here, this is just Facebook's Facebook's telling you to remove it and how you would go about doing that. But the reality of it is if they have your information, they already have that information stored. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this app and also delete all posts, photos, and videos on Facebook that Yext may have posted on my behalf. And now it's been removed. Okay, I'm also going to do the same thing here with Heyo because I don't even know what that is. I'm just going to remove them. And then go through my other apps. I'm also going to go in here and see what apps have been removed. Now, Facebook has gone through and removed some apps that they have found have been mishandling people's information, so they no longer integrate with Facebook. So if you're concerned that that's happened, and I have seen some notifications, actually, I'll show you exactly what the notification looks like. The notification actually looks like this, and you'll see this right when you log into your Facebook page. We have banned the app which one of your friends used Facebook to log into. We did this because the app may have misused some of your Facebook information by sharing it with a company called Cambridge Analytica. That's obviously who the scandal was through. In most cases, this information was limited to public, profile, page likes, birthday, and current cities. Okay. Now, if your information may have been compromised, you are going to see this notification when you log into Facebook. And you can get more information or click that button to get more information. All right. That's it for this week's Tuesday tip. We'll see you next week with more Tuesday tips from Real Marketing Solutions. Hi, this is Sarah. Hello.